Hey guys, it's Butterfly. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a completely different video. You know what we're doing? It's a secret. No, it's a surprise. We're doing a tune-up on our Monte Carlo. We, as in my father and I, and my father is my special guest.
Okay. So how do you want to do this? You want to actually do things? You want me to be doing things as you watch? Both? Okay.
First, to start off this video, we have to set everything up. So right now we are undoing the screw things in the front that holds the engine, and we're going to undo those so that way we can move the engine.
Do is hook these the motor mounts, so you have to ratchet to here to here and pull the engine forward to get to the back.
Raggy. So, in case you're wondering, yes, we are still in the process of moving the engine piece thing, so that way we can get to the back.
So that's where the engine will come forward. A lot more room.
Now that we have moved the engine, we can see what part in the back needs to be fixed. So that is what my father is doing right now. Is that what we're fixing?
Yep, those are the back three spark plugs.
Okay.
See, I get what you get in there.
Oh, those two. I see those two and that one. Am I supposed to stay up here? Hi, how are you doing?
Will help or not. Okay.
First, we are going to pull the number 1 wire. Number 1. Right there.
Okay.
Once you located that wire, give it a firm pull and pull it out. So at this point that you guys are just about to see, we are undoing the spark plug.
Okay. There she is. Whoa. Come on, let's see if the camera can get that. Where's the camera at?
Ooh.
Okay.
So obviously that is not what a spark plug is supposed to look like. Next up, what you are going to do is find the same length of a spark plug wire that you took off, find the same length of the new one, and give it to your dad. Haha.
Short ones not to go on the ground.
Let's see. Yeah. Pretty sure it's this one.
Alright, cool. Go.
Once you have the spark plug in its hole, without the ratchet, you will hand tighten it in. Then you will add the ratchet to finish tightening it.
Just snugging it, not over tighten it. Right there and get tight. And a little twist more. Socket. Yep. You ready? Recording? Alright, so it's the number 3 spark plug wire here. Obviously not this easy. You give it a tug and pull. And that's the number 3 on the coil packs.
I say Frio. It's cold.
There it is. Wow, another fried one. Go figure. Gonna set that down.
What you are going to do is continue taking off all those spark plugs in the back. Once you have taken out an old spark plug, you will put in a new spark plug. Found it. Then with the spark plug wire, you will attach it to the spark plug. And those are back spark plugs. What you do?
Okay, so undo the ratchet strap. Pull it loose. Alright. Then take that nut off that bolt. Oh, we still have to get that bolt down there. It's gonna get wet.
Oh, I got it. I saw it.
Alright, go pull that bolt out. Okay. And you just push the engine. Put that down, slide that right there. There you go. Same over here.
There you go. There you go.
So you only need to do that to get to the back. Ready?
Yes.
Spark plug in. Make sure you feel the threads going in. right there, snug. All right, wire. Ready?
Yeah.
Number 6. I'm gonna plug that one right in because it's not gonna be in our way anymore. Okay. Keep filming. I bet you they're all out.
Saturn.
Okay.
Alright. Once you have replaced the spark plugs and they are in the spots they're supposed to be in, put the spark plug wires on.
Oh, those are pretty nice. They snap on so easily. Nice and snug. Okay. And then follow that wire to plug her into the right spot. Bam. Which one was it? Right here?
Thanks so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped. If it didn't help, still give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.